My car is the only one in the parking lot. Try to do this road section in the early morning when no car drive on here. And then we'll do a loop coming back this way and do the other two trails start from here. Hi dear. Grand wash in unsightly and illegal graffiti. You are here. I'm gonna go all the way to here 2 miles until the junction, and I will do another 1.1 mile. Oh, there's a overlook. No, it's just a trailhead. I'll skip that one and go this one to the arch and go that way back. On your nose. A cow pie. A big wall. Another big wall. Barely have any elevation on this trail. Very good sign. Indicate goes that way instead of keep going along the wash. Elevation here 5,400, 1,000 feet climb in 1.5 mile. Let's go to Cassidy Arch, 1/2 mile. The arch is right underneath me. You can see the shadow there. I was coming Cohab Canyon, 3 miles that way. I guess I'm done with uphills and now start going downhill. Yes, it's warmed earlier, so I took off my jacket, put on my vest, and only one layer of long sleeve is fine. The temperature just changed so quick. It's been uphill again. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Canyon Trail, Hickman Ridge parking lot, half mile. That's where I'm heading. Cohab Canyon Trail campground, half mile to the car. Nice. Coming back to the parking lot. Hey, 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 hey. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Heading to Navajo Knobs. I just got to the parking lot, had my breakfast. I have a bagel, lunch meats, and cheese. And had a cup of coffee near the river. And now did the last big project for today, maybe for this trip, is the 9-mile Navajo Knob. This is the pyramid. Pretty quiet on this section. From the turnout, 4.2 miles to the end of the trail. Let's take a peek of the overlook. Hickman Bridge. It must be a bridge. Moment of truth. As always, it's amazing. The only thing that changed is changes. Nothing forever here. Stay cool. Everything in the sun right now. No more sheet. Hi, Snow Mountain. What we got here? Take a peek of the overlook and keep going. Don't know that. Orchard. Maybe campground. Those roads goes to somewhere. Some buildings. That's the visitor center. Yes. Go that way. Nice. Well marked. Giant piece of slab. Red rocks. Just did another critical turn. Saw the people spot. Right here. The last half mile to Navajo Knob. Giant slab. Up hills. All the way to the top. All right, almost there. I can't pass this. This is so funny. The poop of antelope, I think, collected in that area. It's really close. I just find those dogs are so cute. Oh, this long time ago, probably underneath the ocean, probably sand, and then turns to rock like this. Is that big horn sheep?
Sorry?
Do you think it's a big horn sheep?
Yes.
But it's pretty small size, right?
And female.
Female?
There's another one around the corner.
Oh, yeah. Do you think they're babies?
Well, there's two people up where the other one is.
Oh, that's cute. Hi, buddy. This part is pretty rocky. Almost there. Do you guys happen to know what's the name of that mountain? Snow cap?
No.
No. That's a very good experience. That's a big knob called Navajo Knob. Navajo Knob. Yes, beautiful. Yay, it's the time. You are here. Let's go through the bridge. Underneath the bridge. Alright, last a minute. Go through the bridge. Go underneath the bridge. Alright, that's a bridge. Hickman Bridge. Hello.
Hi.
Alright. Almost back to the parking lot. Back home. Hungry. I'm gonna eat a lot. I can see my car.